Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Elohims. I am a hip-hop artist / songwriter / investor in stocks and crypto. You are now tuned into my channel. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff if you like my content. And don't forget to check out the merch store at godandsheeps.com, godandsheeps.com. And look fire, man. Sheesh. Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to get on streaming services, that is Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Pandora. There's multiple ways to get on these streaming platforms, but today we're going to talk about one, which is one of my favorites, which is Tunecore.com. If you're not signed up to them, you can click the link in my description and sign up. You get a percentage off, and it also helps me. And while you edit, make sure you thumbs this up to help the algorithm of this channel. And let's get straight into this right now. Alright, so first we're gonna go to Tunecore.com, right? You come to this page, you click sign up, and then you already know, sign up, easy, bomb. But since I'm already a member, we're gonna go straight to my page. Alright, so we already in my page now. So you would not see all of this because you are not a member, right? But you'll see add album and add single. Now if you wanna add a single, you click add single. You do the song title, we're gonna title it godandsheeps.com, right? Add the artist, Elohims. You won't see that because you're not an artist already, but you could just type your name in and it will create a profile for you and you would never have to do it again. So continue. Yes, that's me. Yes, that's a song I was on. Save selections, boom. So it's verified that I am Elohim and I have a Spotify account and an Apple Music account. Now, does this song have explicit lyrics? Yes, it does. Primary, it is hip hop. Release date, they say make sure you do it 4 weeks, like in advance. But for me, I usually do 2 or 3 and I never come into issues with it. But if you want to listen to the 4 weeks, you can do it. But for this time, we're just gonna do the date as, let's put December 15th, which is my birthday, right? We're gonna drop it December 15th at 12 a.m. Eastern time because I'm from New York City. You could change this. It'll already have your time zone, so you don't have to worry about that. Can this release be sold worldwide? Of course it can, yes. Previously released? No. All right, label name. If you don't have one, you don't gotta put one, but for now, we putting Stampede. You already know. And then now we save and add songs. Boom, that's simple. We already did one step. And now we got 3 more steps to go, and then your songs is streaming all over the world on all the streaming platforms that's available for you. Damn, it's really processing, taking long. All right, no, don't sell me that. All right, so now we add stores. Boom. For me, I don't do this. I don't care about that. This is where you could choose whichever store you want to have it in. If you like me, you want to have your music everywhere, deliver to all. iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, Pandora, Deezer, iHeart, everywhere. And after you do that, you just save it. All right. Boom. So now you will see here your stores. You have all the stores that's available to you. Make sure you got your social platforms. This says you will keep 80% of your revenue when you're distributed to the social platform. So if you don't have this, if you don't see this, then you would just click edit. And you would click the actual stores. You would deliver to YouTube content, TikTok, Facebook, and all that. And you just hit save. Alright, so once it's saved, you in the stores, and then this is where the good part come in. So boom, your song title required. It's called godandsheeps.com. Songwriter. Boom, I'm already here. Taekwon, boom. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. Alright, so if you're not connected with a PRO, which is like BMI, ascap, and all that stuff, you just click yes and put I have a songwriter agreement with the music publisher or publishing administration services, and you just leave it at that if you don't have a PRO, which is BMI, ascap, and all that other stuff. Now if you do have that, then you would change it, of course, and put I am a member of the PRO and then you just put in your information and stuff like that after that. But for now, we're gonna go with I have a songwriter agreement, blah 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 blah. All right, now make sure everything looks good. Elohim's main artist, boom. Now if you got a feature, you would just add artist and you add the person, right? All right, now boom boom boom, you can add the lyrics if you want. I usually don't, I don't really care for that, but if you want to add the lyrics, you copy and paste it into here. And this is for TikTok. You could have them play your song exactly where you want. Most people do the hook because that's the most catchy part. So you would just change the seconds, maybe start it at 50 seconds and then have it play out. And you just click save, save and boom. And then you go here, you edit your artwork. Upload artwork. All right, now you can upload your own if you have your own. If not, they actually have some dope artwork already here. So let's say I like this one, boom. So I would click this. And that would be my album artwork, and it's goddesssheep.com, Elohim. So I would click this one, save it. Oh, you can't make this shit up, bro. Are you kidding me? Wow, this shit really froze like that. All right, we back at this step. That shit froze on me. I don't know what's good with this shit, but all right, boom. So boom, so this is my artwork. Save and continue. All right, now this is where you go here, goddesssheep.com. That's the song, and then you have to upload the MP3 version of the song, right? So you click upload. Oh man, my computer acting real slow right now. Alright y'all, I don't know why my computer acting up, but I'm not redoing this video. This is like my 5th time. I don't know what's good with my internet. Hopefully y'all internet working better than my shit. But after you upload the song, you go into the last step, which is add it to the cart, and it's $10 to upload your single. And then after that, you done, and you just wait maybe a week, and then you good to go. And on your release date, you will be on Spotify, Apple Music, and all that good stuff. I never had any issues, and if you do have any issues with that, they'll probably notify you and email you, and you could fix it before your release date. And I'm guessing that's why they tell you to do 4 weeks in advance, just in case there is any issues on your release date. Well, any issues in between your release date, you could be able to solve it before the date comes up for you to release it. But yeah, man, this computer shit got me tight, but that's it, man. This your boy Elohim's, and I'm out, man. Sheesh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Living in a world where they would kill. They popping pills from the bottom and seeking meals. Drugs, it make me feel alive. Are we living or trying to survive? Truth feel good when you numb the lie.